Oi, hello, good evening, and thank you for watching this educational channel, yeah? She loves to listen to classical music, yeah? Hello, my name is Garrison and I'm a coach at Language Academia. I specialise in British regional and Irish accents. And these are 5 quick steps to MLE, or Multicultural London English.
Hello.
Bonjour.
Hola.
Namaste.
We are Language Academia.
Please remember that accents for film and TV are often generalised and simplified. Step 1. Flat TH. Now in MLE, one of the first sounds that we learn is the TH sound. Now this sound is usually flattened, or we actually lose this sound when we transition from RP into MLE. For example, the word think becomes more like think. The word thought becomes more like taught. In RP we have brother, in MLE we have brother. An example sentence would be, brother said he was going to visit his mother tomorrow. Step 2. Drop the G in ing. Now the next step, and probably the most defining step in MLE, is the dropping of the G sound in ing words. For example, in RP, you would say walking, talking, going, and singing. But in MLE, you would drop that G and you would have walking, talking, going, singing. For example, they were talking and laughing at the party. In MLE, it would turn out, they were talking and laughing at the party. He's thinking of buying a car. He's thinking about buying a car. Step 3. Short vowels. The next step in MLE, vowels in the words like forest and go. These sounds are usually very shortened, clipped, or direct in how they're pronounced. For example, in RP, you have forest, go, show, and poppy. In MLE, you have forest, go, show, and poppy. A few example sentences would be, in RP, you have the dog jumped over the log. In MLE, this would sound like the dog jumped over the log. In RP, you have the desk is next to the bed. In MLE, you would have the desk is next to her bed. Step 4. Flat L. Now the next step in MLE is the L sound, which this becomes more vocalized, especially at the end of words. Here are a few example words. In RP, we have milk, bottle, real, and cool. Now in MLE, these example sounds will sound like milk, bottle, real, cool. A few example sentences would be, RP, please fill the bottle with water. Now in MLE, this will sound more like, please fill a bottle with water. Next, she loves to listen to classical music. Now in MLE, this will sound more like, she loved to listen to classical music, yeah? Step 5. Rhythm and flow. Now the last, and probably the most difficult part of learning MLE, is the rhythm and the flow. Compared to RP, which is more pronounced, clear, and slowed down, the MLE accent is a bit punchier, a bit quicker. The words are blended together. Now an example of this, in RP British, hello, good evening, and thank you for watching this educational channel. Where compared to MLE, it would sound more like, oi, hello, good evening, and thank you for watching this educational channel, yeah? Final examples. RP British, I was walking down the road, talking to a friend. MLE example, I was walking down the road and talking to a friend, yeah? RP British, I bought some milk and a bottle of water. MLE, I bought some milk and a bottle of water. And from Language Academia, have a lovely day.